Hey everyone, check out this stunning two-tone floral MKP satchel set that brings effortless style to your daily routine. Crafted from high-quality vegan leather, this structured tote keeps its shape while offering plenty of room for your essentials. You get a spacious main compartment, plus a matching wristlet that easily holds your phone and keys. The gorgeous gold tone hardware and decorative padlock add a chic touch to any outfit. It is the perfect companion for shopping trips, work days, or weekend dates. Treat yourself or someone special to this elegant and versatile everyday accessory. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.